Hello guys, this is the Woodman Reload X stereo, Android 9-inch stereo I bought from their website. It's really cool, and this is their launcher. This is their Agama launcher. We can change this logo, and we can make its navigation or logo, any etc. This is their launcher, and we can have music, navigation, radio, phone, internet, apps, anything. From the apps we have Bluetooth, Chrome, and Wi-Fi connectivity. I have connected the Wi-Fi, and you can see video from YouTube. Let's load. It comes with various features. Its display is very good, viewing angles are good. It's really nice. Let's play some music. Or videos.
There was an idea to bring together a group of remarkable people to see if we could become something more.
It's the YouTube, and you can see the video quality. Now we can check the maps. I'm typing from my location to a destination is it is very nice. It is giving the location all. Got it? Yeah. And if we can, the touch response is also good. We can change this launcher from the settings. Go to the settings and go to the settings. Oh no, this said go to swipe down settings. It is working now in Android 8.1. They told me that we will get Android 9 update through mail. Till now I didn't get it. Also the delivery was good through Blue Dart. There is bit delay for me because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Otherwise it's all good. We can change the launcher from here, home, then click the Android default launcher and go back home. We can customize the wallpaper all from here. This is the music player. Now I connected the pen drive. I can show you the music quality. Let's go there and select apps. And you got also steering wheel controls. When we press the volume up, it is rising the volume when we tap music pause, it is get muted. The music quality is good. Let's go back. So we can select from this and we can go back. Now we can put it in reverse here, and this is the camera quality. You will get nice viewing angles. Other than the lines, it's super wide. It's good camera. When we put back to note, it will go. Is there the Android launcher? It's really nice. And in this unit you get the car specific frame. This car is Celerio, and this is the car specific frame, fascia frame. It is included in the box. And this is the GPS tracker, GPS antenna, and this is the mic. The company fitted USB and mic is will not work. This is the company fitted one, and it will not work with the stereo. And they have given the mic USB port. It is in the dashboard like this. Overall, their product is good, and their service support from when I bought this from their website until when I get my product, their support was very good, and the installation support, I had many doubts on the steering wheel controls when I installed it in the shop, and then I called there, and they showed me to how to connect steering wheel controls. It's all good, and my car is now a smart Celerio. Before it is their company fitted stereo, but it is now smart Celerio, and thanks to Woodman for that. It is the specification of this stereo. It is Android OS 8.1, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB internal, and this is the system info. Sound setting, we can customize the sound setting, factory settings, car settings, Android settings, and volume settings, navigation, brightness, steering controls, GPS detection, logo settings, other settings, all are there. In terms of features, it is very nice. It have very good features. It's really awesome stereo.